How to create NGL link, put it in Facebook. So if you want to create NGL link and put it in Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your NGL application. Make sure that you've installed the application from your Play Store or your App Store. After that, go with Get Started, which is on the bottom, and then tap on Continue and enter a username. Go with Continue again, and you can go with Skip, and I'll skip the profile picture too. After that, you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go and copy your link. After copying your link, you need to go back to your Facebook. Now from your Facebook, you can go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with your profile. On your profile, you can go with Edit Profile, and under Edit Profile, if you scroll down, then here you will have links. So you need to go with Add, which is on the right side. Tap on Add Links, and then go with Add a Social Link, and here you need to enter the username. So select the platform. At first, I'll just simply go and select a platform and then enter the link, or you can also go with website link. You can go with Add a Website and then go and paste the web address and then tap on Save. After that, the link will be added to your profile. That's how you can create NGL link and put it in Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.